To change your Galaxy Watch orientation from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting, scroll down the screen, tap general, scroll down the screen, tap orientation. Under wrist section, select whether you wear the watch on your left wrist or right wrist. As the example, we will select left. Under button position section, choose whether the buttons are on the left side or the right side of the watch. As the example, we will select right. To see the result, you can see that your watch will adjust to your chosen orientation. Given the function, changing your watch orientation ensure more comfortable and intuitive experience, whether you switch wrist or prefer buttons on a different side. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.